Oh, why am I yelling? Sorry, I was listening to music. It's Saturday morning. I'm going to brunch with the girlies. I'm late. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm late. We went out last night. I wasn't supposed to go out. That was a lot for my body. Hey, hey. My elevator music is the best. You guys, my outfit choice right now. I'm wearing a dress and chanclas. Bitch, it's raining. What? It's literally raining. Why did I do this to myself? I don't know, girl. I'm in a wonky, silly mood.
Arriving at Yall station.
My friends just FaceTime me. Bitch, they're gonna be mad at me. They're gonna be mad at me. I'm sorry, dude. I can't wait to eat, I'm not gonna lie. They're gonna be mad. Watch. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog.
We're doing bottomless mimosas because Mervat said so. And this is us, what, 2 drinks in?
2 drinks in.
Okay, could you have the ketchup?
You just make more room anyways.
I'm so proud of you. When you called me and you're like, oh, we just left. I literally got out of the shower. I was lathering myself. I was like mid-shower. Bitch, we want to eat. Food is kind of cold.
My friends are more important. They need to know what I love about them. What I love most about Kadia, I love her confidence, I love her essence, I love the way that she comforts me, and I just, honestly, I don't like the way people treat Kadia because I think Kadia is literally a fucking sweetheart, and I don't like that anybody would ever treat her any less. She's a ride or die.
She's going. Love you.
Okay, what I love about John.
Cut the camera. Hey guys, it's Sunday, and I'm about to film a haul. Alexa, say hi.
Hey y'all, what's up?
Oh.
Hey, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Bro, say hello. Hello. No, you need to come in the camera. Hello, guys.
Yeah.
Yesterday I died and I came back to life.
And died again.
Indeed. Indeed, but it's okay. Today's a new day. After I finish this, I'm gonna go to Kensington with my friend. I'm super excited. I'm gonna get like glasses, like, you know, like the tinted glasses. And I just want regular glasses too. So excited. Okay, so we are done filming the haul. It went pretty well. I'm super excited. Actually, by the time you see this video, it's already gonna be out, so go watch it. Don't be fucking rude. How dare you? I'm going to Kensington right now. I'm so excited. This romper was actually from my haul. It's just a simple brown romper. That's cute. Purr. Let's go.
Oh my god, it's grandmaster.
So it's later. We're going to like a Y2K early 2000s party. I'm gonna show you guys this bit. We got Alexa here. Oh, it's giving body, yaddy 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 yaddy. Talk about it. Miss Lovey here. She's giving goth punk princess. Don't play with her. Maria. Queen Kadia. Woo! That's right. Next we have Miss Merv. Yeah, she looks so cute. All pink today. Don't play with her. This is Miss Candace. Yeah, Candace, show us your little fit. Period, period. We're giving some colorful whoa, 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 whoa. Anyways, guys, I'm about to leave. I'm about to head out. So I'll catch you later.